Tayong project no na isang emergency light. So ipapakita ko itong full video kung paano ko ito ginawa. So ayan. So 3.3 volts lang yung lead bulb niya. Ayan. 3 volts lang yung lead bulb at saka naka-LiPo4 battery. So ipakita ko yung video sa inyo. Tara, let's go. Kailangan natin ng isang junction box, tapos isang tackle. So may 3.3 volts tayo na lead bulb no, galing Shopee. Then BMS, battery, saka type C na ready to made. Then step down, tapos ito yung controller. So let's go. Then extra wire. Ayan. Finish na finish. So then charge